Hey guys, I'm gonna take you along on a call today. It might be the only call I have today, so I'm gonna put this together. It was an unusual call. It has to do with the dryer vent, but these are some of the things we have to deal with in HVAC. Part of that is ventilation, and so that's part of my job. Stay tuned. Knock, knock. You know. First, I want to see this dryer vent.
Yep.
Make sure it's still hooked up.
No. I unhooked it.
You did?
Mm-hmm. So I could dry clothes.
Where'd you unhook it up here?
Up there, yeah. Well, I guess you or whoever did hooked it up. I just took it off and I'm drying clothes in 19 minutes versus 2 hours.
All right.
Yeah, I was struggling.
I'm not real comfortable on roofs like this, but I gotta get up here. Oh. It was completely clogged. Look at this. It was completely clogged. All right, that's what I pulled out. The thing ought to start venting now like it's supposed to. I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm glad it didn't fall apart. I do hope you enjoyed the video, and I do hope to see some of y'all at AHR. It's going to be the first vacation, you can call it a vacation, first vacation I've had in well over 10 years, basically since I started the business. So I'm really looking forward to it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, how about like and subscribe? And I'll catch you on the next one.